So this is a problem-solving strategy that I'm choosing to call MART. Art. Okay. And this little stick guy over here is going to explain why in the world I'm calling it MART. He says, it's math. It's art. It's MART. Okay. And I'm going to give him like a little palette here. All right. So what I'm telling you really, though, is if a word problem doesn't make sense, try drawing a picture. Okay? Try drawing a picture. So here is just kind of example of a problem. Okay? The mailbox is 3/5 of a mile from the house. The well is 1/10 of a mile from the mailbox. How far is the well from the house? All right, so right now, either you have this sort of intuitive understanding of which operation you're going to be using, or you don't, okay? So our strategy is drawing a picture. So I'm going to draw, first off, the house. And then I'm going to draw the mailbox. And then I'm just going to think about this. Okay. According to my word problem, the mailbox is 3/5 of a mile from the house. And then over here, there is a well. Okay. And that well is 1/10 of a mile from the mailbox. So now that we've drawn the picture, it may come a little bit more clear to you what you're going to need to do. But if it's not, you can also combine strategies and you can use simpler numbers with your picture. So what if it was 3 miles from the house to the mailbox and 1 mile from the mailbox to the well? Well, then I think you would know kind of intuitively that it would be 4 miles altogether. Well, how'd you get that 4? You added. So the number sentence you need here is 3/5 plus 1/10. And of course I have to come up with my common denominator, which I'm just going to tell you is 10. So I have 6/10 plus 1/10. So the well is 7/10 of a mile from the house. Okay. So that's one word problem. I'm going to do a second one. Mrs. Nolan I feel like that's hard to see. Mrs. Nolan baked 5 pies. You can tell this is a story problem and not real life because I actually don't know how to make even 1 pie. Her son ate 1/8 of each pie. Okay. And then my question is, how much pie did he eat? Okay. So on this one, either you've got a pretty decent idea already of what number sentence to do, or you're like, 1/8, 5, what do I do with those two numbers? Well, if you draw yourself a picture, there's 5 pies, and my son ate 1/8 of this one, 1/8 of this one, 1/8 of this one, 1/8 of this one, and 1/8 of that one. Now that you've got a visual, I think it's a little more obvious that the amount he ate is 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, and I did that 5 times, so that would be 5/8. And another way to write that would be 1/8 times 5, so I would do 5 over 1. When I'm multiplying fractions, I just do it. 5 times 1 is 5, 8 times 1 is 8. So he ate 5/8 pies. And whether you added that or multiplied it, it's going to come out the same, to 5/8. So that is your new problem-solving strategy. MART, math, art. It's math, it's art, it's MART. Or you could just say drawing a picture. Because if you can't visualize what's happening in the word problem, you're not going to be able to solve it.